team of Appalai. Today actually we got a task to enact a story. So it is a story, it's not a story at all. Actually, instantly Hardeep ma'am has seen and read the story instantly. So this is the story name is The Clever Parrot.
Today we are going to represent the characters of in the story. Mango tree, parrot, hunter. They bear.
Our Chandni madam will represent as a parrot, Prasanna ma'am as a bear, and Fazila madam play as a hunter. This is a story about a clever parrot. The clever parrot. Once there was a parrot which lived on a mango tree. Which tree is this?
Mango tree.
Which tree is this?
Mango tree.
And which bird is this?
Parrot.
What is the color of this bird?
Green.
Green. Okay. But the parrot was very, very clever. Very, very clever. How was he?
Clever.
Clever or foolish?
Clever.
Clever. He was very clever. One day he saw a hunter. One day he saw a hunter. He was trying to shoot the parrot. He was trying to shoot the
Parrot.
All of you make a gun. How to make? Show. How to make? All of you shoot the parrot. And this hunter was trying to shoot the parrot. But the parrot was very, very clever. The parrot was very
Clever.
He flew away. He flew away. The gun hit the mango. The gun hit the
Mango.
because this is a mango tree. The gun missed the hit the mango and fell down on the head of the bear. The bear was got very angry. When you are sleeping at home, your mummy is saying, wake up, wake up. Then how you will feel? Angry. As same as it is, the bear was very angry. He got angry. He opened his eyes. He opened his
Eyes.
All of you open your eyes. How to open? When you will angry. When you will angry, you will open. He opened his eyes and he is searching for the who disturbed the bear while he was sleeping under the tree. He was angry